Hi guys, it's WeTooth967. Today we're looking at Tesco's panini rolls. I think that's how I spell it. These are slightly out of date, so what can you do? What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do some cheese and onion panini rolls. Going to cook them up for you. These are made with olive oil. Thought, well, I got them before Christmas. It's now middle of January now, so well, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to toast them just to prove that they've been in the freezer. So there you go. Still tastes okay. Still smell alright. How have you guys been? Do you have a good Christmas? Good New Year? Good, bad? I'd like to see comments. I'm really sorry I don't answer the comments. I know I should show my face a bit more. I'm a bit shy, to be honest. Now this might end up in complete disaster. And I know people go, so sweet tooth, that's not how I do my panini rolls. I know I'm not a chef, guys. I'm just an ordinary guy who's hungry, who just wants to try them out on this breville toast. I'm going to show you that now. Sure, this is a really handy device. This was given to me. This is from IKEA. You know, people who hate grating cheese. So what it does is it collects the cheese, and I'll show you now. So you're grating it. So I'll bring it close to the camera. All right. This cheese I'm using at the moment is Iceland Extra Mature. I'll show you where it is right now. You can get that all day long. Really nice cheese. Get the Extra Mature, guys. Worth the few pence. So what it does is it just captures the cheese in there rather than going all over. Might put a bit more in. So the weather's been a bit crazy recently. I've been a bit windy, then it went freezing, then it went snowy, then it went icy. Doesn't know what he wants. And it was quite warm yesterday. The good thing about this as well is if you do too much, you just leave it in there and put the lid on it, put it in the fridge. Alright, so that's the cheese. This is just an ordinary onion, so I'm going to put that to one side. Now these are actually grown in the garden. They not bought from Aldi or Tesco's or Lidl. I'll show you a tip, right? When you're cutting onions, well, anything really, put your fingers like that so that you can't cut in. Because one thing I did when I was young, I used to go on a cooking course. One of the things they taught me is always retract your fingers. Right. So, I'm going to flip back to this now. And now we just put the onions in there. Oh, I'm talking loud enough, guys. Sometimes I talk too loud and too fast, don't I? And other times I'm like, right, other times I don't think anyone really likes their own voice. I don't really like my voice. So I'm going to put those in there like that. Save that bit of onion. That bit I can lose. That's another good thing. Put it in there. So now you've got your base of that. What I might do is put a bit of salt in. So just a bit of sea salt, a tiny touch. It's not sea salt, it's Himalayan pink fine salt. And I'm thinking some tomatoes, maybe. Okay. These are from Spain. These ones are Aldi one, I think. So trim that up. I think people like watching people cook. I don't know. I don't want to bore you guys, you know. I'm always worried my videos are going to be too long or whatever. The average YouTube video is about 2 minutes, isn't it? Keep there. So now I'm going to pop that on the top like that. Ding. That one goes on there. I'll flip around now to the my this is now preheated, so what I'm going to do is, let's pop that in. I think, have I got this the right way around? No, that lid belongs in that lid, not pop that on like that. That goes on like that. Okay, zoom in on there. So everybody will be on the diets now, I guess. See, when that goes to green, that means it's ready. I'll be back in a sec, guys. There's a lock button on this, actually, but it's mainly for doing toasted sandwiches. God, Christmas. I don't like Christmas. I must admit, I'm a proper Grinch. I find the whole thing just all depressing. Like I said, everyone's skint in January. Cold. I like the cold weather though. I like the winter. I hate the summer. There you go, guys. These are like part grilled or something before, so I should have actually got a knife or something to get it with. Or whatever. 2 secs. Use this knife. Well, I'll show you what these are like inside. There you go. So what's happened is the cheese and onion have fused together, and the tomato, and they've created like almost like a pizza base. So I'm now going to put this on the table. Back in a second. So guys, ready to eat now. Show you roughly what it's like inside. They're a really, really good way of using up old panini bread. That's it's really nice. And why not try it with garlic mayo from Crucials? This is actually, if anybody doesn't really like mayonnaise, it's an alternative. Gives it a bit of welly. Better than kebabs and chips, guys. You can use it for all sorts, spreading on stuff. I use it for garlic wraps and stuff like that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to enjoy this. I will see you in the next video, guys, and we'll have a great day. Thanks a lot for coming along. See you soon.